In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio and video using OBS Studio, specifically focusing on adjusting the sync offset. This tutorial is perfect for streamers, content creators, or anyone working with video content who needs the audio and video to be perfectly aligned. Now, let's dive into the OBS Studio process. To begin, make sure OBS Studio is open on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful and widely used software for streaming and recording videos. Once you have it open, look at the main interface. At the bottom, you'll see the audio mixer, which is an essential tool for managing your audio sources. Click on the audio mixer. Here, you'll find the settings for each audio source you've added to your scene. It's important to understand which audio input you want to adjust. Maybe it's your microphone or another audio source that you're having sync issues with. Identifying the exact source will streamline the process. Now, look for the three-dot icon next to the audio source you're focusing on. This icon might also be referred to as the Options menu or Hamburger menu. Clicking on it will bring up more settings that allow you to delve deeper into customizing your audio experience. Once you've opened this menu, look for and select Advanced Audio Properties. This section is where the magic happens. You'll find various options that let you refine your audio configuration. It's not only about adjusting sync settings. You can modify levels, balance, and more. However, our main focus today is on the sync offset column. Within the Advanced Audio Properties, find the audio source that needs adjusting and locate the sync offset field. This field allows you to define how many milliseconds your audio should be delayed or advanced to match your video. A positive number means the audio will play later than it currently does, while a negative value moves it earlier. Start with small increments, like 20 to 30 milliseconds, and see how that affects the sync. Adjust as needed to perfect the synchronization. Test your changes by recording a short sample or streaming, paying attention to the audio and video alignment. It might require a few tweaks, but be patient. This trial and error process will ensure that your final output is crisp and professional. Remember, syncing your audio and video can dramatically improve the production value of your content, so it's worth the effort. Once satisfied, ensure all settings are saved before exiting, and do a final check by playing back your media. And there you have it, a quick, easy guide to synchronizing your audio and video using OBS Studio's Advanced Audio Properties. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!